While the razor-thin iPhone Air stole the spotlight at Apple's fall event, a handful of subtle but seriously cool updates quietly slipped under the radar, and they're worth your attention. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for all the tech updates. First up, the iPhone Air's biggest trade-off for its slim 5.6mm frame: battery life. But Apple had a sleek solution ready, a MagSafe external battery sold separately for $99. It's designed exclusively for the iPhone Air, which adds up to 65% more charge and still keeps things ultra minimal. Want an all-day charge without bulking up? Snap this on. Then there's live translation, an AI-powered feature that's far more than just a party trick for the new AirPods Pro 3. It also works on AirPods 4 with ANC and AirPods Pro 2 only if you're paired with an iPhone running on iOS 26 with Apple Intelligence. It can translate conversations in real time, even letting two people hear each other's language live. Currently, it supports English, French, German, Brazilian, Portuguese, and Spanish. Health and privacy got their moments too. AirPods Pro 3 now come with a built-in in-ear heart rate sensor and Apple's new memory integrity enforcement system, exclusive to iPhone 17 and iPhone Air. It'll make spyware attacks nearly impossible. And to keep up with the fashion, there's now a crossbody strap accessory for your iPhone Air. At $59, it's stylish, functional, and designed to keep your phone close without weighing you down. A minimalist solution for a minimalist phone. So yes, the iPhone Air is stunning, but it's the quiet features around it that show just how deeply Apple's thinking about the future of tech, one smart detail at a time. Which one did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.